Meaning of dramatize.
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 Dramatize. The term dramatize refers to the process of turning a story or an event into a dramatic or theatrical production. The result of dramatizing a story or an event is that it becomes more engaging, captivating, and entertaining for an audience. Through the use of dialogue, action, and setting, a dramatized story can elicit emotions such as joy, sadness, fear, and wonder from the viewers or readers. In essence, dramatization brings a story to life and makes it more memorable and impactful.